Simple past, le prétérit en anglais. Mega easy English. Master it in less than 10 minutes. Hey there, English learner! Welcome back to Mega Easy English, the place where learning English is always fun, fast, and super simple. Today, we're talking about the preterit tense, also called the simple past. Want to talk about yesterday, last week, or what you did last night? Then you need the preterit. Let's go! Section 1. What is the preterit tense? Here is a definition. The preterit is how we talk about actions that already happened and are finished. Examples: I watched a movie last night. She cooked dinner. They visited Paris. Remember. Think of it as past simple because it really is simple. Section 2. Regular verbs, the easy ones. We make it easy. 1. Starts with base verb. Play, clean, call. 2. Add the ending ed. That's it. 3. The preterit form is played, cleaned, called. Section 3. Spelling rules for regular verbs. I'm going to give you a few rules concerning regular verbs. 1. For most verbs, you simply have to add ed. Examples: talk becomes talked, learn becomes learned. 2. For the verbs ending in e, you only have to add d. Examples: like becomes liked, smile becomes smiled. 3. For the verbs ending in consonant plus y, you simply have to change y to I, then add ed. Example: study becomes studied. 4. For the short verbs with one vowel plus consonant, you have to double the final consonant, then add ed. Example: stop becomes stopped. Section 4. Irregular verbs, the wide ones. One of the difficulties of the preterit is that you have to learn the irregular verbs by heart. Example 1. The verb go becomes went at the preterit form. Example: I went to the beach last summer. Example 2. The verb eat becomes ate at the preterit form. Example: she ate lunch at noon. Example 3. The verb see becomes saw at the preterit form. Example: we saw a movie yesterday. Example 4. The verb have becomes had at the preterite form. Example: they had a great time. Section 5. Question in the preterit. Start with did. Begin your question with did for all subjects. Add the subject. Add you, he, she, it, we, or they after did. Use a base form of verb. The main verb returns to its original form. Did you go to school? Did she watch the movie? Section 6. Negatives in the preterit. The structure is very simple. Subject plus didn't plus base verb. Didn't go. Correct examples: I didn't watch TV. She didn't go shopping. Beware of some common mistakes. Never say, I didn't watch. She didn't went. Section 7. Time expressions with preterit. Specific past times. Yesterday. Last night. Last week. Last month. Last year. Completed periods. In 2020. On Monday. 2 days ago. Examples: I visited my grandmother yesterday. They moved to Chicago last year. Section 8. You've got this. One. Now you master the preterit. You can now talk about past events confidently. 2. You can tell stories. You can share your experiences and memories in English. 3. You have to daily practice. Use the preterit every day to build fluency. As you know, practice makes perfect. Remember, you can speak English, keep practicing, and you improve every day. Simple past, le prétérit en anglais. Mega easy English. Master it in less than 10 minutes. Mega easy English. Watch, learn, and make progress in English. So, If you liked the video, do not hesitate to put a thumbs up, to subscribe and to click on the notification bell to get informed when new videos are released on the channel. Thank you very much for listening.